Aluminum led an exploration into custom workstation design on this project. We scoured sources for second-generation product, adding mobile file pedestals. Perforated metal wrapped magnetic tack surfaces. The tactile quality spoke of strength and invention as we detailed options to support the panels, tack boards, and whiteboards. Considering standard product parts, we refined our specification to meet the project budget. At an early point, details about the acoustical product were also budgeted, minimizing waste and maximizing value. Several workstation solutions were sketched for client review, with least expensive to our preferred solution to standard workstations. The custom solution used throughout the space an open plan design featuring 50-plus workstations and a few open plan conference spaces made with a similar system. The modular elements will allow the workstations to be broken down and easily moved in the future. The elements of the workstations are used throughout the 3D robotic design, a significant contribution to a great look that hits the brand and costs less.